Come in guys, let's make some delicious pizzas. Today I'm making an unusual pizza. It's my special recipe. It's made with figs, parmesan and beautiful halloumi. I'm cutting up fine fig slices. I would prefer to use fresh figs, but they're not ready yet. I'm crushing up some walnuts to go on top. As always, start with the dough. Look at those air bubbles! I'm using a yogurt and a kefir mixture. It's our own homemade kefir. Let's put these delicious figs on top. Beautiful parmesan. I'm gonna crumble some halloumi on top. This is our own halloumi that we made using our own goat's milk. It's just beautiful. Next level stuff. Not the rubbery thing. Sprinkle some walnut on top. Be generous. It's gonna give it a nice crunch. A drizzle of honey. And a bit more. Finish it off with parmesan. You can't go wrong with this. I'm gonna put my preheated log on top of the fire to give it some flames. That's exactly what I want. Beautiful flames. I'm gonna give it a quick clean. Let's get it in. Whoa, it's looking good guys, look at that rice. Whoa, look at that guys, look at that. Look at this beauty. I can't wait to try this. Crunchy on the edges, great rice. Looks delicious. Add a bit of rocket and salad leaves from the garden. A drizzle of olive oil and it's perfection. I can't wait to taste this guys. Just looks amazing. Look at that guys, look at that. It's so soft and crunchy. Let's warm up my palate. Beautiful. It's amazing. It's beautiful on a hot summer afternoon.